Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to activate container in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page and then you see basic inner section. So this is also our section. Now you see. So when we edit, now click on it and then you see edit section. So we are going to activate container. Now go to plugin section and then you see Elementor plugin and also you see Elementor plugin version 3.17.3. So we are going to activate Flexbox container. On left side you see Elementor and then you see settings, so click on it. Now Elementor setting open and scroll down, you see we have multiple tabs and then you see features or experiment tab, so click on it. Now you see experiment and feature. Now find here Flexbox container. Now you see and then drop down select active and then click on save changes. Now container is activated and then you see grid container multiple option. Now go to Elementor page. Now you see edit section and refresh the page. Now on left side you see container. Click on plus icon. Now plus. Now you see container setting and then click on edit section. So this is our previous section. So we are going to convert it. Now you see layout, convert to container. So we have this one section only. Now click on convert. Now you see conversion done. Now you see section is duplicated and in container layout. Now click on edit. Now you see edit container. So this is our new section and this is our old section, edit section, and this is edit container. Now you see navigator, so click on it. Now you see section container. So in this way you can activate container in Elementor WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.